I'm using my Zoom handy recorder right now to do a voice over to this video because apparently I must have pressed something on this camera. So my other video, there was a little bit of criticism with my other video of the review, and I'm going to try to address them all in this video. I'm going to try to make it short and sweet to the point, just so you can know of all the features of the action camera. It is the Costco action camera thing. I'm curious to go to Costco today just to see if they did sell, because a lot of people like to I assume they're selling that because a lot of people, there's a market demand. That's just like the book that says there's a market demand for action cameras. So this is going to be all action camera, and refer to my other video if you wanted to see how the menu looks on the camera, and the menu is pretty helpful. So right there in the distance is smoke. I don't think it's fire. It's like they're digging a hole or something. Maybe it is fire. It smells kind of like it. Doing some sort of construction work right there. Exploreone HD action camera, Wi-Fi. I purchased 2 action cameras from Costco that day because I really wanted to have 2 for some of the ideas that I have. But if I get 100 comments and or 100 subscribers by December 1st, I will be giving away this camera with the tripod. The tripod, you could see, has the white stripes right there for really good grip on metal or any other parts of the wherever you're placing the tripod, and the waterproof case. I haven't had a chance to try the waterproof part of this camera, the waterproof case, and obviously the sound won't be any good with the waterproof case over the microphone, so you cannot get any good underwater sound if that's what you expect to use it for. But I really do want to try to do some underwater footage. So this is the 8 GB micro flash card. This is the one that comes inside of this setup, and as you read the instructions, you'll find out that this card is not really a good card and not meant to be used. You're going to have to upgrade up to a 32 GB micro flash card you could get for this camera for it to function properly. But since this is only a 45-minute battery on this, I don't even think you really need more than a 16 GB micro flash card. So that's one thing that I put on the Exploreone that I'm using right now for this video footage. You could see that the screen is kind of a bubble because of just the whole thing with this lens. It's a good lens and everything, and I think that does help good quality of the recording. So just upgrade your micro flash card. Like if you do go to Costco to get this camera, go and get a couple micro flash cards to be in this camera, but I recommend maybe 16 GB. This is what comes in it. This is the camera, the micro flash card and adapter, the waterproof case, the USB cable, the tripod, and also this camera does not act as a drive for the flash card, which that's one feature I wish it had, because I like to plug in and let it charge while I have the flash drive running on my computer so I could edit the different videos that I have. And then you got the short thumb screws and pivot mounts, the long thumb screw, and the quick release buckle. It's 2.0 inch screen. If you watch my other video, you'll see how the camera is really small, compact, but it's powerful for it. You know, like you could put it on different items. And make sure you read the whole box. But basically, it did not say anything about audio recording on this, so I was glad that I could do this video for you guys to be able to see at Costco. If you see this camera, it's a good price, and I think for the price, it's a pretty good, powerful camera for it. And I haven't figured out how the Wi-Fi features work, and this is pretty much it. And keep in mind, I do have this whole camera in the case. I'm not going to open it until December 1st if I don't get any if I don't get 100 comments and 100 subscribers to this channel, then I'll open the camera. But if I do, I'll enter you guys into a drawing so you could win this camera, so you could try it out yourself. It's pretty cool, and if you like to make videos and do